Hello, everyone, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. Today's video is a haul. It's a haul where I have thrifted and I've shopped at a few stores. I will explain to you which came from what and what I picked up, and I will try to remember what everything cost as well to give you a better idea. So, just in case you want to go shopping too. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're interested in DIYing, cleaning, organizing, decorating, or cooking your way to a cozy, comfortable, and organized lifestyle, then you are in the right place because that is what I do here. So hit that subscribe button and press that little bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload new content. But right now, let's get into this video. So come on in and let's get started. So they had this, I have some, of course, but this one is so pretty. It has a design in the center. You can see it really good from the bottom, sort of lifted. Looks like little pearls. This was regularly $29.99. and I got it for $7.49. And I believe this was a 66% off. It's really pretty. Kind of looks like milk glass too. I'm looking for a lot of white pieces because if you've been following me for a while, you know there's a big wall unit over here, and I have the top two shelves in crystal. The third shelf I have yadrils and angels, and I want to change up the fourth shelf, I think, and the bookcase on that side of it. I want to take down the smaller pieces maybe and put in just larger pieces of white, things in white. So that's really pretty. Oh yeah. Look at this one. For my black and white kitchen. I'm just in love with this. It's polka dot. It's La Cucina. That's who it's by. I don't have, oh yes I do. The regular price was $39.99 and I got it for $9.99. It's big and it's pretty. Even if I used it for a cake plate, it's really pretty. But of course, it'll probably be used for a lot of other things, vignettes and that kind of thing. So I love the polka dots. And when I thought about it in the store, it looks like that's kind of a mushroomy thing there. Where to store it? So I have to come up with something. I really want it though. And it's not Ray done, but it's really, really pretty. And that's this cup, and the front says Grace. And it has the King's Crown here. And it was regularly $9.99, and I got it for $2.49. And whether I use it or not, I thought it would be really pretty in some vignettes on the coffee bar this winter, whatever. And for $2.49, thought that was really pretty. So I got that. Okay. Kind of winding down, I think. Use this. Yep, this is Hobby Lobby too. That's Hobby Lobby. Okay. So, and they have these sales, things that you probably would pass by at regular price. You pick up when they're on sale. And this little guy, he's not an angel, but he's on his knees and he's praying. Really cute. He's wearing a little, you can even see the details of his outfit. He has a little belt on. He's barefoot because you can make out his little toes back here. He was $3.99, but he was on sale. This was one of those for 75% off. So you can determine what that is. I'm not a math whiz. Oh, I didn't even notice. You can even see his little suspenders in the back here. The detail on this is very, very cute. And although he's not an angel, I'll probably put him somewhere with those I have. And these were, I think I'm going to paint them or something, do something with them. Butterfly wings with a hook on the end. I'm trying to think if they're only useful during the spring and summer, or if I could put them like in my entryway year round once I paint them. Hang something pretty from each. I guess we'll see. You guys let me know. What do you think? Could I use these once painted year round in my entryway with something pretty? Or do I have to just use them during the spring and summer because they're butterflies? Let me know in the comments below what you think. I'm not sure about these, but they were regular $4.99 and they were $1.24, so that's why I got them. So let me know if they're just spring and summer only. And I got 2 of those at $1.24. Okay. And I was doing a tablescape for something and realized that I only had 3 of these instead of 4. And I needed 4, so I couldn't use them for my tablescape. So I picked up, and just to be on the safe side, I picked up 2 to make sure that I had enough. So I had 4. So I could set a table of 4 and use 1 for a centerpiece as well. Because they were, they were regular price $1.99. I got 2 of those, and they only had 2 of these, and now that I'm looking at it, one of them is even got a flaw in it, and they only had 2, but I wanted them with the buffalo check. My kitchen is black and white, so I can switch these out with all kinds of things, and these are 2 worth $1.99 as well. Even if I play my cards right and use the right colors, this black and white check can go with almost anything if you put it together right. Let's say I had the black and white check napkins, maybe a white plate here. But you know how you can mix the black and white up. Almost anything. So I got 2 of those because he only had 2. But guys, I have those 2 already that say Home Sweet Home in the center, but the outer edge is the black and white check, so I guess if I wanted to use those, they would be 4. The check may be a little different, though. I'll have to check that out. Anyway, 2 of those at $1.99. And then I got the odds and ends. And this will be it from Hobby Lobby. I got 2 of these. And they're little picks. They could go on the Christmas tree, they could go on a vignette. I thought they were really pretty. They were $2.99, and these were not on sale. If they were, I'd have like 5, or maybe more. I was out or getting low on my E6000, and I had never seen a pack like this. It was $3.99, but you know how the end gets gooey? Well, I try and prevent that because I put Vaseline on the end of mine. But this has the little tips on it, different sizes for like whatever you're gluing. You can put this on the regular top, the opening, one of these, depending on what you're doing. There's 4 of them, and squeeze it out, and that makes your line of a glue precise, and it keeps your regular E6000 from getting all gooey, and sometimes you can't open it. And I'm wondering if this will fit my larger size E6000, so I'll find that out. But I thought that was neat. And the larger ones there at Hobby Lobby did not have those little toppers. And this was $3.99. I also, because these were all on sale, these were all 50% off, all of their stickers. So I picked up 3 packs. They were regular $2.99, and I got them for half price for my my planner. They were each, well, no, they're not. one was $2.99. It says friends, pals, always fabulous forever. Adventure, favorite, has hearts, laugh together, all sorts of things. A little red rose is up there at the top. Nice collection, and it was regular $2.99, but it was half off. All of their, what is it, paper something, Paper Studios was half off. And then I got this one, which was regular $2.49, and it's Believe in Your Dreams, So Proud of You. It's a graduation one, because there's a little graduation cap and all of that, but some of the sayings you can use anyway, like endless possibilities, you did it. So I picked up one of those. And here's the other, and it says One Happy Family. It was also $2.49 and half off. A family makes life beautiful. It all starts with family. This was more family oriented. Family is one of God's masterpieces. What matters most. Together we make a family. Family traditions, our history. So I got that one as well. So it was 3 of those at half off. And this was a really, really, really good deal. I don't know, but somebody I'm sure would, because they're selling it this way. This was regular $29.99, $30 for washi tape. I mean, it's a big pack and all, guys, but it's washi tape. But they had this pack of 50, and the colors are really, really pretty. You know, I'm in love with this down here. For $12.99. So yeah, I picked it up. But $30 for washi tape? Wow. I guess though, when you look at it, the way I buy a couple at a time, you end up spending that. But that just seems like a lot to drop at once. But for $12.99, I thought it was worth it. Is there something else in here? Oh, I picked up some scoops as well. I needed those, and they were $2.99. And the reason I paid $2.99 instead of going to the dollar store is I have them, but they're big, and I needed a couple of the smaller ones for my pantry. So I got three little ones for $2.99. I thought that was worth it, because the ones at the Dollar Tree are large. I didn't need any more large ones. Okay, and that's that from Hobby Lobby. Now, I'm going to show you part of my thrifting haul. This bag right here is the last bag that I have for this video. So hold on. Was a thrift find. And if you saw my last video, my last thrifting video, you'll see that I found a small and very cute, I might add, soup tureen. And I have been on the lookout for soup tureens for almost a year now. And I said I was on the hunt for a larger one. Well, lo and behold, my thrift store had one, finally. And it's a larger one. Although I wish it were white. Look at this. And it's all together. Remember my little white one? And I'll put a link or a card to that video where I found the smaller one. It is so adorably cute. It's little and cute. I was missing the spoon. But this one has everything. It's in perfect condition. And when I picked it up, here's the story behind this. It's heavy. This did not have a price tag on it anywhere. So I took it to the counter, and the assistant manager, not the manager, was there. And I said, how much is this? She says, well, since it doesn't have a price and you're buying other things, how about $5? I said, I'll take it. Well, just as she said that, the manager walked up and she said, how much would you let this go for? She said, well, I heard you tell her $5. She said, is it damaged at all? And she said, no, it's perfect. And the manager said, I would have charged you 10, but since she said 5, I'm going to let it go for 5. Guys, I did my happy dance when I got outside. That's for $5. It's nice and heavy. It's perfect. And it's not white, but it's beige, so it'll fit in with my decorating style because it's a light color. Now, I think it's perfect. I love the shape of the top. I love the look of it. But I'm thinking that if I found a white one, I would either gift this or take it back to the thrift store because I really do want white, but I can live with this for $5. Man, and it's pretty. It really is pretty. Okay, so that's it. I told you it wasn't that much. So that's the end of this thrifting from Hobby Lobby, Family Dollar, and my thrift store. This was again from, no, this was not Dorcas. I went to a new thrift store actually that I had only passed before, and I decided to go in, and this is where I find this. And I'll need this in the fall for some vignettes, and if one of my thrifting friends here on, one of my YouTubers here does her regular collab this fall with where she requires soup tureens, I now have two. So that's it for this. I hope that you enjoyed shopping or seeing what I bought while I was shopping at these stores. So friends, if you're not already a member of A Cozy Lifestyle, would you please hit the subscribe button below, and once you hit the subscribe button, also hit the little bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new content. And if you enjoy videos like this, shopping hauls, give me a thumbs up and I'll know, and I'll do more of them, and that'll keep me on track with what you guys want to see. With that said, you know what I always do. I'm leaving you with hugs and blessings. I'm thanking all of my new subbies. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And to my regular Cozy Lifestylers, you know how I feel about you. I love you, I love you, I love you. And I want you to remain in your own personal element. And I'm going to leave you with hugs and blessings. Bye-bye, guys.